Today we're going to talk about tax, tip, and discount. For tax and tip, when you're done with the problem, you're going to add to the total. For discount, you're going to subtract. Okay, let's look at a couple of problems. Let's say I bought a sweater for $12.95 and my tax was 5%. Okay, there's one of two ways that your teacher probably taught you. Number one would be to take the dollar amount times the percentage and divide by 100. Okay, so I'm going to have $12.95 times 5 and divide by 100. I'm going to get 0.6475, but that's not money, so I have to round. This rounds to 0.65. Okay, now let's say I was taught a different way and I was taught to use a proportion. So my proportion would be percent over 100 equals amount of change, or x, over the total. When I cross multiply and divide, I'm still going to get x equals 65 cents. Okay, because it's tax, in order to find the total you spent, you have to take $12.95 plus 65 cents to get your total. So you're going to pay $13.60 for the sweater. Okay. Remember, you have to answer the question. Some of the questions will just ask for the tax or the tip or the discount and not the total. Make sure you read carefully. Let's do one more. Let's say I went out to dinner to the Melting Pot. Okay. And I spent $26.38 on a pizza. And I want to leave a tip of 8%. Okay, so we do 26.38 times 8 divided by 100, or 8 over 100 equals x over 26.38. Either way. And that means I'm going to leave a tip of $2.11. Right? If they wanted to know the total you paid, you would do 26.38 plus 2.11. And you would get $28.49. Okay, let's say you went to a store and they had a sale. Let's say you bought jeans and they were originally $63.12, but you got a 20% off discount. Okay, so $63.12 times 20 divided by 100, or 20 over 100, x over 63.12. So you would get a $12.62 discount. Okay, this is where you have to remember to subtract. I'm going to do 63.12 minus $12.62 to get my new price. So I'm going to pay $50.50 for my pair of jeans.